okwiha omwaka ogutandika bwanyuma y'abaturo mu Rohama Eastern District ya Ntunga mu kubura burabo ahabwa enguuto mbi niho Advan Mbabazi akwatanisize nabo ahansi y'enkora ya burungi bwansi kandi obwahati basya kilomitazi nkaaga n'ina ha mihanda ei babasize kukora
konka aho obuguuto bukorirwe hakiri omuntu nareeta ebintu byeye kurungi ekyari kuba nareeta kyona eky'omushuburo mazima nikitambura gye kandi yakisya aha ruguuto of course kiba kimuyamba kandi na n'ebbeeyi emufevaringa
nikusima Advan okutwara enguuto tube twine obuguuto bubi burimu ebisiriko nka Advan azikozire enguuto zabonera emotoka zabona aho kuraba zibe nizikwama zapiki niziteera ahansi abaana.
Obuguuto bushazirwe harimu obw'omu tawuni kanso ya Rwoho, Rukoni East, Nyakyera hamwe n'ahandi kandi bushazirwe Advan Mbabazi akwatanise n'abatura kandi agizire ngu buri muntu orikwebasa ashemereire kuhwera abantu b'owaabo.
Ekyokureeberaho itwe kuno twine omwani twine ebitookye hamwe na n'embaho emihanda ebiire fiire ekyokureeberaho nka Kagona nari ahagati ya Kahoko na Nakyanga omuri Rukoni East nk'egomborora omwani ebitookye n'ebyamaguzi ebindi bibiri bitakubasa kurabayo.
Bamwe mbebembezi nibagira ngu abahwerire kyango ahabwo kuba omwe sente zikuruga omu gavumenti nizikyererwa
ningashi obuguuto bwito bw'omu byaro obwakobire nibukorwaho abantu bakozesa emikono ningashi tawuni kanso erikukwatamu nk'okumukukimanya omwe noshanga nka gavumenti sente omwe zakyererwa nk'ez'obuguuto ninga sente zitarikumara obuguuto obwo tutagira omugisha gw'okugira ngu tubukorere omu bwire.
Gavumenti nemanya burungi bwansi etuuraho abataka nibikoramu omurimo nitwekoramu omurimo haba ari ahantu ahatatereire twatereza
tweko obusasi bwitu nk'abantu bakitwe nitushaba gavumenti ebase kutuyamba aha nguuto ab'emishuburo y'okugenda
ogwo akahaye ebyoma byona eby'okukozesa okukora enguuto nikwo abatuura okusiima obuheereza obwe bagumize ngu obutagira mihanda mirungi kibaire kigarurize kyanga kyaba enyuma. Omugano makuru gavumenti ebitongore bitari bya gavumenti hamwe n'abakuru b'amadiini bashabirwe kuba kwatanisiza hamwe bakegyesa abatuura abarikuba nibatuura omu myanya y'enshozi okwehara okutwarwa emitunga. Ebigambirwa obwo abakuru kuruga omu kanisa ya Pentecostal Assemblies of God babaire nibahayo obuhweza aha batuura b'egomborora ya Bugoyi omu district ya Kasese abaferirwa abatuura bashatu hamwe n'ebintu byabo.
All other organizations to help people who live in this area to get what we call coping mechanisms. How can we live with the kind of terrain God has given us? Because I was telling some of the people here, it looks very far from Kasese and yet it's near. But the people who live here, this is home. It is not far because it is home. So how can we help them be able to live here and identify the work of God in their lives?
So grateful to the Pentecostal Assemblies of God for this offer to our people in Kasese. Doctor, thank you so much for coming. Bishop Okum, thank you so much for mobilizing.
So today what we are doing here is expressing our faith in action, sharing the love of Jesus Christ with the people. As Jesus Christ said, who is your neighbor? Your neighbor is the one who identifies what you are suffering through and
James Kataki Kaur chairman w'entebe ya Kashata ahabwa egomborora ya Bugoyi enshonga eja gigambireho.
That all roads are destroyed. People who are taking crops to market centers, we are now cut off. We cannot use a border. Vehicles cannot penetrate and pick crops. We are just there.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif na Gilbert Muhanguzi.